ass to the floor. Yeah. Started made that ass fashion, don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty to the go. Got that ass to the floor.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by PoshgladBraidedWigs, and they sent me these, I think it's Bohemian goddess braids. Guys, when I'm telling you, this wig was listen, I don't even know what word to describe the way this wig was constructed, but immaculate. Like, I'm telling you, when I just slapped this wig on my head without my hair braided down, it was still flat. The way this wig is flat right now, you'd literally think it's my hair. No way. But before we jump into the installation of the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is their package. It has their social media handle, their website, their US address, Nigerian address, where you could contact them, their phone number and their email and all of that. Inside the package, they sent me the bag that the wig comes in and some bonnet, which I love because pageant's cute, and obviously the wig. So this wig was, I don't know what length this is, but I'm guessing this is probably like 40 inches because it's literally down to my ankle, like almost down to my ankle, like down to my knees, I should say. But let me just show you guys what it looks like in the back. I don't know if you guys can see, like pretty much almost to my knees. But anyways, if you guys would love to see how I end up in this look, how the wig came and all of that, and what I did when I was installing the wig, then definitely keep on watching.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that could take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that could take your spot, my love. See us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. We do what we want, I just wanna get away.
this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank PoshgladBraidedWigs for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.